Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, and as I predicted about 2 weeks ago just before the election, we were going to see a reversal in the markets for a lot of these unbelievably smashed down altcoins that were just ridiculously undervalued in my opinion. People selling them off and selling them off at the lows, which is always a bit of a stupid idea in my opinion in crypto, because generally speaking, when you have these big cryptos that are well established and they're not likely to go to zero, they're probably going to have a big reversal around when they're ridiculously sold off. And we were at Bitcoin almost at all-time highs. It seemed like a no-brainer to me at the time that we were going to see a reversal. Bitcoin is now at 82k, and we are starting to see a huge reversal for all of our top 20, top 30 altcoins in at the least, and a lot of smaller cryptos as well. Cardano's done like a 2 or a 3x off of its lows. You can see here, Polygon, I took my long position, we had a little bit of a drawdown, and then that huge reversal off the lows as Donald Trump won the election, very bullish for crypto. Sent Bitcoin to an all-time high, currently at 82k, and Polygon here looking like it's come back up and is retesting that 100 moving average again. The last time we tested this, we were here at the top of this Burj Khalifa price action, but you can see just how much we've reversed around from the lows here, and my trade is in a really nice amount of profit, as we can quite clearly see on the charts here. We have reversed around from my little small drawdown, and we're now in a good amount of profit, and we are heading back up to the upside. I do think we're going to be heading back up through these Fibonacci levels over the next few months, back up towards the all-time high for Polygon. You can see quite clearly on the charts here we are looking really nice for some more continuation in my opinion. Not much to report apart from that, other than the fact that Bitcoin is looking very bullish, and overall I do think we are going to be seeing a nice rotation and continuation for a lot of these altcoins as people start to ape back into the market. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.